Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, let us spread the gospel together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, and let us spread the gospel together. Lavender, God's gift of calmness. Lavender, our topic is lavender, God's gift of calmness. And now you will share me for lavender, God's gift of kindness, calmness. Say a bebo nyankopon do ma chede aboa ma ebre nyama se mani adnyama nyina e boko aboa ma bibia kama lavender aban bi ye fe lavender aban fe lavender a leaf a good leaf lavender a good leaf aboa ma bibia ye kama awurade a owotumi no ona me tumi na ho de ne nyonyam so be hira no wa hye we nyonyam ama ohun abasa ne tumi ne kase. Lavender, God gift of calmness, and a day one day any peace of mind until lavender. I buying lavender. Who using a have who using the dria, who using a banner, a mouth, a bow mind. No, say we didn't know drama one. Say the mouth dear jare. Say the mouth you say what do you say be piano, a boama, a common mind, mawa drain a stable kama, a margin a stable kama. Nti won a hwe yare mu hwadwon yare mu bebre yisu ahaban bebre ade boa ema odipa unya yaresa strips aboa obi a wabre we no strips aboa fear obi a usuro bia no obi a de bia wo ha na ubohu osuro ayam hyehye da wo no yare sa aban dware aboa ema wo dware ma yisu bi de sran we na abre sa nyama nyina spirit a ema wo ebohu no and wrong can disturb spirit and body. Inti abra wo dwenwen na wo worry na wo di awra one way na abra honhom asenti etwa se unya haban unya dua bi na yede ye direction bi ama wo ha wo ne wa mane efiro so ekọ na unya yaresanya yankopam tumi ane ahoden no. God's peace act like a spiritual balm to yankopam so ndue no ebasa na te se na hunhum nku na hunhum ade bi a yede aka woni pedua sa ane etie eba ho restoring clarity and balancing into a restore na balancing nyama bebre awoni pedua. Lavender's calming scent can symbolize that guidance peace guiding speed covering over anxiety's thought. Nti aboa wo bebre ama unya oje aboa kama spiritual reflection hunhum so no rest in the middle of pressure aboa quiet strength as aboa hunhum ama unya hunhum trust instead of fear. Nti there is a ban ye lavender aboa ma udi dware yusubia ama unya arehemu unya trust unya kuduro unya gidie bi se unsuro hwe idi ama unsuro hwe ntia haban ma ne ndua bia ye de ma odi dware na eyi ehu ma wo ye den a unsuro bibi wasa haban ma ne ndua ne hia haban ne nyama we ama unsuro ade ama unsuro hu nge na nipa ne kana utie ne ma wo ye den na wo ye nam healing through peace na eboa wo asuboa wo anam asundue mu a wonya asundue mu a wonya wadwen bibia kama ama wonya yaresa. Nti we abesua bibia fa lavender ho lavender God's gift of calmness ti aboa ema wo asundue aboa wo ewo hunhum fam hunam fam ti ya haban a aboa lavender leaves no lavender leaves and say lavender fruit na say lavender seed no and say ne herbs no aboa wo nya bebre ho ema de yaresa ade wo gie ene bambo ne asundue ebre obi a wo yare no ye we no wow obi a ordinary na with a washing man a balancing now be wa boom a guide wow that symbolize guiding as a wow guiding spirit wow ma bibia kama you feel anxiety shows anyway munya bebra emwa ama woni pedua ni nya hoto no haban we abo radin shira on radin kan we yesudemu. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and let us spread the gospel together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and let us spread the gospel together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and let us spread the gospel together. May the Lord bless, may the Lord uplift you. Radin shira radin kan radin mo ho ban you how musu kwa na nfil so oma ho na ni onyam 2 minutes kase we yesudemu. Amen.